Welcome in the ShopRenter video tutorials. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the modules and how to setting up a unique layout of the web store. The modules are everything in the ShopRenter. Every function which appears on the main page or every page on the web store is a module. So the category tree is a module, the cart is a module, the information link are module, and everything else is only just a module. The goal is to choose what modules are we want to use, in which ordering and which layout, and how the separate modules are working. And if we finish all of this, our store is become very unique because the used module list, the using of the separated or the one module is very unique after the every other shops. We can do it in the administration page, more precisely the settings, appearance and modules. In there we see 4 distinct tables. The 4 distinct tables shows the module list and shows if we use the module, and if it's yes, where. Every module has a position and an order. The position says where at the where of this module appearing on the page, and the order says on that position which where, upper or lower. For example, in this page, in the left position there is a category tree, the cart, and the information module, and we see that the category tree is an upper, so its order is probably a very small number, and the information module is only lower, so its order in number is probably a very high value. If you see the administration page, we see there is 3 positions: the left, the right, and the home. The home position is meaning the main page, which means this, where the banner slider or anything else is show up. If we don't want to use a module, it's going to the other position table. You have to aware of that there is some module what is don't appear nor the right nor the left and nor the home position, but that is a very unique modules. For example, the cart upsell, which is appearing on the cart page. So every module has a unique settings, because it's every module is capable to do some function, and those function is setting up with the setting page, but everything else is common. For example, if we see the the featured products and click on the edit, we see there is 2 types of settings in this page. The first is probably from here to here, so we can display the module name, we have giving some position, status and order. So these 5 things, the display, the position, the status and the sort order, are the same setting in every module. means that every module we can uniquely choose that we want to or not display the name, and if yes, what is the exact text. After that we can positioning, and in that position we can ordering that module, and we can enable or disable the module. In these 5 settings we can provide any layout of modules and become very unique store if we want. Everything else, for example in this page, the limit and the products are only important of these modules, because it's setting up the modules functionality, which means what kind of product and how many product is appearing on that module. So with these we can provide a very unique layout of modules, which is seeing on every page. For example, the right and the left modules are the same in every page on the web store. For example, if we see content or a product, the right and the left columns are the same. So choose it wisely what is getting up there. Back to this administration page, the first 3 tables, which contains the left, the home and the right position, we see the modules in the same ordering what is show up in the store. So if we see the left position, we see the order is category, cart and information, so as the administration page. This is a very helpful things. So if you want to enable a non-used module, we have to click on the install. For example, use the manufacturer, click on install. We can already setting everything what we want. We type it, for example, manufacturer. We choose a position, put it on right. We enable it because if we don't, the module doesn't even show up. We add an order, for example 5, and choose a mode, a display mode. I leave it as it were, and click on save. And if you refresh the page, we see there is a new module appear on the right position, and we can use it, and every customer can use it. This was the tutorial for the module handling. Use it wisely. Goodbye.